Greetings. This is the Hydroponic Day 16/17 update. Kind of some cool stuff that's happening. I'll bring the camera over there. So very rudimentary, but I've been testing out this thing. And we've got pretty consistent results. This is the time, and then this is the drip, like how long it takes for a drop. So pretty good. And then we got some really good tests as far as this one goes. Anyway, back to the hydroponics. Alright, so cool stuff. Yesterday we had a pH drop on the left tank, I believe. So we'll see if that trend continued or if it stopped. And then temperature should be all equalized and the CO2 ppm is all back to normal. So it's pretty awesome, and a little happy thing. We're on to our next sheet for the graphs. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so starting off, CO2 ppm today is running at 438. 23 degrees Celsius and 73% humidity. So our humidity is starting to ramp up, and that's due to the plants in here. So that's great. Anyway, let's open this up and check it out. Okay, as far as observations go, you can kind of see we're getting this barbing on these, so that's kind of cool. And then the root structure is really neat, so that's awesome. And there's not a lot of tip burn on these, so that's really cool. Anyways, I think I just broke this leaf, and no, that's not great. Okay, maybe, no, it's not broken. Anyway, right tank, we're getting that similar barbing, not on this plant quite yet. This one is not doing too great, so that's not awesome, but I think it'll be okay. Anyway, below tank looks pretty normal, and on this one as well. So, let's check our pH and ppm. Right tank pH is running at 6.23. Let's check out the ppm and the EC. Alrighty, right tank ppm is running at 705. EC is at 1408, and temperature is 23.1 degrees Celsius. So it's equalizing with the atmosphere in there, and that is great. Also, I only hold it in the middle because I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it. On to the left tank. Alrighty, pH is running at 6.32. Let's check our ppm. Looks like our ppm is running at 1046. The EC is at 2092, and temperature is 22.8. Anyway, let's check out our graphs. Kind of some interesting data. So we had that big drop in the ppm and the EC. However, it's spiked again. So still neutralizing maybe? Anyway, right tank is having a similar thing, so I'm curious if it'll do the exact same thing, considering it's a day behind. Humidity spiked, temperature same, CO2 same. Hope you enjoyed.